this video, I'm going to show you how to recover the password for your Microsoft account if you've forgotten the login information. So the first thing you need to do is just go and open up an internet browser and then go and search for Microsoft and press enter. Now click on this top website here, which is Microsoft.com. And once you're on the official Microsoft website, we can click on the profile icon in the top right hand side. So this should go and take you to the Microsoft sign in page. Now what you'll need to do is enter either your email address or phone number. So I'm just going to enter my email address like so, and then go and press next. Now obviously, because we've forgotten our password, you need to select forgot your password, and then that's going to give us a couple of different ways to go and sign in. So if you have a recovery email set up, then you can select that from the list, and then what you can do is go and receive a code to this recovery email, and you can go and reset your password doing this. Now, if you no longer have access to your recovery email, you can click on I don't have any of these, and this is going to take us to a form that we can fill out to recover our Microsoft account. So just start by entering the email address on your account. Then you'll need to provide a new email address, and this is where Microsoft will contact you in regards to recovering your account. So just make sure this is an email address that you do have access to. Then you can fill out the Google CAPTCHA and press next. So now what's going to happen is you'll receive a code to your newly registered email account. So the email should look something similar to this, and we're just going to copy this security code and go and paste it inside of here and click verify. So now what you can do is go through the steps on the screen to try to recover your Outlook account. So try to make sure the information here is as accurate as possible, and basically any further information that you can provide to prove that the account does belong to you. This could be uploading proof of your identity or something like that. This will just increase your chances of being able to recover your account. Now, once you've submitted this, you'll need to wait a couple of working days for Microsoft to reach back out to you. And if any further information is required, then they'll send that to you in an email. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.